Hey guys, I am so glad you're here. I'm gonna show you some mind-blowing tricks to disinfect your house using things you already have, especially if your store is sold out of Clorox wipes. As a big disclaimer, don't take my word for it. I'm gonna put all of the most important links you need to know for disinfecting your home in the description box below. First, we're making DIY sanitization wipes, and these are so easy. Take a paper towel roll and cut it in half. I recommend using a high quality paper towel like Viva, and this is super easy to do with a kitchen knife. Then you want to mix together 1 cup of water with about 1/2 of a tablespoon of Clorox bleach. You're going to stick your paper towel roll into an airtight container and pour the solution over top. You need about 1.5 to 2 cups of this solution over all of your paper towels, and this follows all of the CDC guidelines, which is basically 1 gallon of water to about 1/2 cup of your bleach solution. We've been doing this for years and absolutely love it. Now comes the fun part, taking out the center of the roll and pulling out your paper towel, and these dispense just like your Clorox wipes do. Rub this over your countertop so you can see a visible wetness, and you want to leave it for 5 minutes so it completely disinfects, and this works great on non-porous surfaces. And an added bonus, if you have 70% rubbing alcohol, stick a spray nozzle top you already have on top of it, and you can disinfect any surface super easily. Thanks guys so much for watching. Stay super safe out there with whatever socially distanced ways you have to say hello and goodbye, and I'll catch you next time. And as we've been cleaning our homes, oh my goodness, I've been thinking, this is why I need to have really good home sanitizers. Lots of us are homeschooling our kids, which is really fun and also really hard and dirty. There's space for new things.
It feels good. I've never been a runner, but I guess no time like the present.
And space for us to lean into this new normal. I'm sitting here editing, but I wanted to jump on quick because the videos on this channel are still going to continue of making our homes a little bit more beautiful, doing things on a budget, and taking some time to step away from that anxiety and find some goodness. I know I need that. I know a lot of us need that. Give it some time, give it some space. We're all gonna get there. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait for the next one. Oh, thumbs up if you liked it.